Hi, assalamualaikum everybody. Hi, assalamualaikum everybody. It's me, Balkis here. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm with
Suraya, I'm driving by the way.
She's driving, but I'm here making an intro. Right now, we're going to
Ikea. Okay.
to get some things for my room. So
My room. Oh, Sarah pun dah release dah? Tak ada. Nak tengok je. Okay. Kakak pun nak tengok juga. Aku macam akan ambil tu.
So since a few of you guys requested more videos with my siblings, so here it is.
Why are you so neat?
I hope you guys like this video, and if you guys did, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. Okay guys, so right now we're looking for, okay, we found it. We're looking for this. Yeah. So right now we're walking to the restaurant.
Dia sumpah Zara.
Oh, that's so cool. They have the marinated salmon here. Kakak, do you want to try the salmon?
No.
But it kind of looks raw.
Yeah.
Wow. Oh, that looks so good.
But very sweet, but you can put one.
What have you done? So we got 6, even though she already got, what do you get? Curry pop. Okay, first taste test. It's very jiggly. Is it good?
Okay.
So lah. How's your garlic bread?
So soft.
So soft? So it's not like crunchy lah? Oh, maybe because it's a long time already. Spicy? Is it too spicy?
Oh, pedas sikit. Aftertaste.
She had her first bite and she's like, this is too spicy.
Taklah, boleh Zara boleh makan ni.
Is it too spicy? I know.
Untuk Zara. Cakap tu. Macam ramyeon kita makan tu.
Yeah.
Oh, maybe sebab dia panas. That's why Zara rasa macam extra.
My tongue.
Your tongue.
Okay, so right now we're in like the family aisle. You want this grey color? But this is not apa single. Yeah, the color is nice.
Maybe like that grey.
Yeah. Oh, that's the frames. Oh, that's it. That's it. That one. Is that A3? I think either that one or that one is A3. If I'm not mistaken. Zara wants her room theme to be this color, right Zara? Yeah, she got this blanket. Okay guys, so right now we're just looking for my frames. We're looking for the section where there's all the frames and stuff. They have LED lights here, but it's so short. Like, oh, this is really nice. This is nice. They also have fairy lights. Guys, we've reached the frame aisle. Okay guys, so we finally reached the frame aisle. Now I'm just gonna find... We're here! Okay, now I'm just gonna look for a white or black frame. This one. Probably get 3 of this. Or the black one. Yeah. I might get this one or this one. I'm not so sure. I'm gonna ask my sisters. Yeah.
Tengok. Oh, hitam macam cantik.
Right, it looks nice.
Yeah.
What do you think?
Because your wedding is hitam.
Pink, baby pink.
Yeah, and
Yeah, and
hitam.
black. Yeah.
I said the wording, not the bag. Oh ni lah riba tadi kita tengok.
Two, 3 of this. They're all 30 times 40 cm. We're not sure if we want to get the black one or the white one, but I think the black one because it will contrast with my wall.
Dekat mana?
I have like the same one as the one next to mine.
You're looking for tempat letak bunga. Space.
Like the same one I have next to my bed. You know what I'm talking about?
The one
I
next
have
to
a-
your bed.
Yeah, can I have the white one with the white flowers in it?
Ha 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 ha
Yeah,
ha
I
ha.
have 2 of that.
Lah kakak ambil gambar macam ni.
It's okay, beginner. Oh, that's not included in the flower, not. Yelah,
Tapi nak ambil troli jauh lah. Itu orang punya. And then there's our curry pup and Balkis drinking water. Penat dah pegang.
Bawa balik dulu.
Bye Balkis.
Wait, apa ni?
Bye.
Apa ni?
Bye.
We're done. We're going to check out. That's it? Yep. I've never seen that. Like the lollipop, but okay guys, that's it for today's vlog. I hope you guys liked this vlog, and if you did, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video, inshallah. Assalamualaikum.
Bye. Peace. No. I want your love and I want your revenge. You and me could write a bad romance.